Hi, I'm Katie with RallyUp, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your fundraiser look like your website. And you can do this through RallyUp's branding settings, which are available to everyone. And this really helps people have trust in your RallyUp campaigns because they can see that the branding on your campaign matches the branding on your organization website, and everything just looks really unified and put together and sophisticated. So let's get into it. So you will log into your RallyUp account, and then you will go to Organization Settings in the left menu and select Branding. And the first thing you'll see is that you can customize the domain for your account. You can use a subdomain, and you can set up a custom domain that you already own. And here is an example of a URL with a custom subdomain, and then you can even customize the URL for individual campaigns. And then next, you will see that you can customize your header. And this is the bar across the top of your campaign page. You can decide what color the background is. You can add a logo. As you can see, this logo is animated. And you can adjust the header size or how wide it is. Again, the background color, the header icons, which are on the right here. You can decide what color those should be. Again, you can add your logo and adjust how large you want that to be. And then you can even add a custom logo link so that if someone clicks on your logo, they're taken to a specific website. And then next, you'll see that you can update your favicon. And that is this little symbol that appears in browser tabs. And it's not a huge detail, but sometimes it's the little details that make all the difference. And then you can adjust your color settings, pretty much every color that appears on your website. Your primary and secondary brand, text colors, buttons, button text, links, selected elements, the amount raised, progress bars, like I said, pretty much everything. And here is an example of mostly shades of green. And then this one is navy blue, orange, and brown. And then this one is a lighter shade of blue and yellow. So really, you can just go crazy with it. Whatever kind of color scheme that you have on your organization website, you can very easily apply to your RallyUp campaigns. And then you can even use a custom font, anything in the open source Google Fonts library. So here we have the default RallyUp font. But as you can see, you can change that to whatever you like, whatever matches your brand. Here's another example. So yeah, basically if it's in the Google Fonts library, you can use it. And then lastly, you can also update your email branding. So you can add your email logo and then customize the colors. And I've got an example for you. So here's a branded email. You can see the logo right here and then the colors that were chosen. And again, this just makes everything look pulled together, super tight, very well branded. And that is how you make your fundraiser look like your website with RallyUp's branding settings. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.